At the start of spring semester 2022, the new North Tower of the Chemistry Building officially opened for teaching and research. UW-Madison students and faculty were greeted with a fabulous new state-of-the-art learning facility. Poised on the corner of Mills and University, the new North Tower features collaborative workspaces, a multi-purpose learning studio, and ultra-modern lab equipment.
The project is validated now by the experience of the students who just love this building, and we know that we're offering a modern and safe and authentic laboratory experience.
If we look deeper into the new chemistry building complex and how it came to be, what can we learn about what it takes to make sure a building like this is functional and meets the highest safety standards? And what can it tell us about the customer-centric, collaborative work of FP&M staff?
FP&M plays that pivotal role right in the center of working with the college and working with the outside stakeholders to make sure that the outcome is first-class chemistry facility for instruction and research.
For the 2023 AVC Excellence Award, AVC Torstveit recognizes the FP&M staff who were not only part of the North Tower construction and Matthews Daniels' work, but who also worked as a team to resolve challenges that came up along the way. Because this story has a few bumps in the road. There was a flood caused by a burst sprinkler pipe, there were elevator shaft pressure issues, and the collapse of a main air duct. These disruptions caused a ripple effect on critical building systems. So FP&M kicked into high gear, working with contractors, campus partners, UW System, and the state to tackle these problems head-on.
They're behind the scenes, right? I mean, to students and faculty and staff who don't have a real awareness of what it takes to run this campus, I got a little bit of a peek behind the curtain.
Facilities management rehabilitated alternate spaces where research could continue while building issues were addressed. And EH&S Chemical Safety relocated hazardous materials during the flood. When flammable storage vaults had to be taken offline as part of the sprinkler project, they stepped in to transport and store large quantities of flammable solvents in their rated hazardous waste room. Steam fitters resolved the frozen pipe issue and brought a custom-built heater to warm up an unheated area. The digital control shop ensured the automated systems that control ventilation, fire alarms, and building access worked right.
The digital controls team is fantastic at running a complicated building. They actually understand all this.
The electric shop responded quickly to fire alarm issues during a complex integration of sprinklers and alarms with access control. Transportation Services created a traffic plan to guide cars and pedestrians safely around the busy work zone. The plumbing shop flushed water lines, storage tanks, and over 28,000 gallons of water. They also tested the water multiple times until it was safe to use again. EH&S Fire and Life Safety monitored the elevator pressurization issue.
Understanding how to control all that is incredibly complex. Managing this project would be its own full-time job.
All the while, Project Delivery advocated for the chemistry department while working with contractors and the state to keep the response moving quickly while always attending to safety.
I think it was really a team effort from FP&M. Even in the most difficult of times, they always came to the table with a positive sense of community.
This team is creative in their ability to solve problems.
And FP&M's dedication to the task allowed the building to open in spring 2022 while lingering issues were addressed. The building's features give students a modern and authentic science education where instructors can unleash curriculum to its full potential and give students a learning experience that wasn't possible in the old building.
We thank the entire FP&M team because it's been a tremendous effort to get this project to the current state of completion.